This is Ashley with Assistive Technology and Beyond, and today I'm going to show you how to use voice typing in a Google slide. And it works a little different than it does in a Google Doc, but there is a pretty easy workaround. So here we just have a Google slide presentation template up, and we want to change the title of our presentation. So we are going to use the speaker notes box and the tool Dictate Speaker Notes to voice type what we would like to put on our slide. So first we'll click in the speaker note box, and then we will go up to Tools, Dictate Speaker Notes. And our gray microphone popped up for us, meaning it's ready, but it's not listening. When we're ready to voice type what we would like to title our presentation, we'll click on the microphone, it'll turn red, and then we can say our title, Assistive Technology and Beyond. And we will click the microphone again to turn it off. And then we will select our writing in the speaker box. We will right click, copy, and then we will click where we would like it to be on our presentation, right click again and paste. You can also use the keyboard shortcuts to copy. The keyboard shortcut is Control-C, and to paste, the keyboard shortcut is Control-V. Now it pasted into our Google slide just as plain text, so there is some editing we'll need to do since it is a title of our presentation. So we're going to make it a little bit bigger. We are also going to change the color and capitalize the T in technology, and we are ready to go. And find where you would like to add the text, go down to the speaker notes, and our dictate into speaker notes or voice typing box is still up and ready for us. So we can click on it, it's red, it's listening to us, it's taking down all of the words that we're saying into the text box, period. And when we're ready to end what we are speaking and then add it to our slide, we'll turn off the microphone and we'll select it all, copy, select where we'd like it to go, delete the template wording, and paste it into our Google slide. Again, some editing might be needed depending on what you've written, where it is in your slide, all that good stuff. Go ahead and delete this out of the way. And now we have our text into our Google slide using voice typing, or in slides, Dictate Speaker Notes, same tool, different name.